guys, today I will show how to use a abacus. And last video I showed you how to make a paper bookmark. And let's get started now. I have a paper to do calculation, and I have the abacus and a eraser and a pencil. Okay, now it's all messed up. The abacus beads are all messed up. So I will teach you first how to zoom. First take these two fingers and join them, and can you see the gap? Put it here and slightly do lightly, press it lightly and do like this. See now then okay. Then I will show you how to use it. Okay, first of all, I will show you what are they called. This is called the upper. These are called the upper beads. The beads are up, and these are the down beads. Okay. Now I will show you what are the numbers called. Okay, this is the ones place. You can see a middle dot. You can see a middle dot over here, right? The white dot in the middle. Okay, this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, this is a 5. And if you take this part of 5, this will be 6, this will be 7, this will be 8, this will be 9. Then next one. Here, this is the tens rod. This is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, and this is 50. And this is 60, this is 70, 80, 90. Then I will show you hundreds. This is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Then I will show you 1,000. This is 1,000, this is 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Now let me show you not only 2 digits and 1 digit. These are all with zeros. Now I will show you with upper then zeros. If you want to do, I show you from in the tens row. Like I want to do 26, like it will be like this, 26. Like I want to do 136, 136. Okay, now I will show you how to I will show you the fingers how to use it. This is the butterfly. This will hold the abacus. Will show the abacus, and these two. And these are called the butterfly wings, and these are also there, but I don't. And this is the thumb and the index finger. Then I will put it like this. Okay, these down butterfly wing will only use for ones, and this will be used for tens. Another thing, I'm holding up opposite because to understand I am using the abacus. You should actually face towards yourself. That's why I'm showing that side. Okay, it have to be like this, and these, and another thing. This you have to hold it tight. Very tight. And this is for this only for the 1 digits, and these are for the hundreds and the thousands and tens. And let me show you, like 1 and then 20 then 400, like those. And if I want to do it 5, you have to take these fingers and do like this. This is 6, 8, 9. This is 9. This is less 9. Alright? Then it will be the other digits also. Then the thumb. We should do like this. Alright? And now I will show you the sum. I hope so you can see it. Okay, what sum I will do? I think I will do 1 plus 6. Okay, this is 1 plus 6. That is, what is it? Yes, it's 7. So we will 1 plus 6 is 7. You know that, but you have to do with abacus. Now I will do 106. Okay, 106 plus 90. That is 196. Now, this is the end of the video, and see you in the next video, and bye.